here in Lake Dallas, we are undertaking the initiative to design our own learning framework for our district.
We are doing the DIY with Engage to Learn to build a learner framework. So there's 2.5 days of training. Day 1, we'll work on building our call to action, our beliefs.
It is a guide that we can use to create our beliefs, create a call to action, and really dive deep in a survey on what the needs of our community are.
I'm Jennifer Bryant, principal at Shady Shores Elementary.
My name is Carmen Medeiros, and I'm a first grade bilingual teacher at Lake Dallas Elementary.
Dr. Larry Gilbert, Dean of Instruction at North Central Texas College.
We're really excited because we're bringing together community, parents, business, and the school to decide our priorities, our fundamental values.
Courtney Tankersley, Lake Dallas ISD Board of Trustees.
Brady Madsen, parent of students at Shady Shores Elementary and Lake Dallas Middle School.
I'm an instructional coach at Corinth Elementary.
Kindergarten teacher at Shady Shores Elementary.
I wanted to be here so I could be a part of my kids' education and make those decisions. So to be invited was an honor, truly. I get to have a voice in how their education is implemented.
We've been working on the implementation of this for about 1.5 years in terms of studying the priorities and what we want to do and what we want it to look like and how we go about implementing it.
I think it's something that needs to be done because we do need to tailor our focus so that no matter what level a student's at, no matter where they're at in the learning, they know that this is what we're about.
We're trying to move from our beliefs and what our values are to looking at building a learner profile. Learner profile is just a list of characteristics and traits that we want all of our learners to exhibit. And then from that, we're then building a learning framework that will hopefully drive instruction for the next good number of years.
When we move into day 2, we're going to be working on building the learning framework, actually mapping out what that visual should look like, creating stages and descriptors for those phases.
That's the geometry he does. I really listened to everything that everybody was saying from across the room. I was taking everybody's pieces and ideas and I just kind of put it all together, and just I think having just a plan to put forth helped.
What about a Falcon Flight Plan?
I'm really impressed right now.
I really liked that we all came together and we all agreed upon it. Like, that was a really good feeling because I know that we all definitely came from all different angles and we worked really hard to keep compromising at each phase. So whenever everybody started getting behind it and just like going with the main idea, it was a really good feeling.
This is not our school district, this is the community's school district. And so what are the expectations of our parents? What are the expectations of our local businesses, our local churches? Fundamentally, who are we? And how do we want that instruction driven for our children?